How to pack clothes for moving. In this guide we will share everything related to packing your clothes when you are moving. Your clothes are your cherished possessions and they don't need to get ruined when you intend to move. Follow this guide and you will know everything that you need to know regarding packing clothes and moving with them. Things to do before packing the clothes. Before you start packing your clothes haphazardly, there are some important things that you need to do in order to make your packing process smooth and friction-free. Organize. Before you can start packing your stuff, the first and the most important thing that you need to do is to organize your dresses. You need to sort your clothes in an orderly manner and make sure that you have a clear view of everything that you own. Pack what is necessary. Leave clothes that you won't be needing in the future. Let's say you are moving to a warmer state like California from a colder state like New Jersey. You won't be needing your heavier jackets, so you should leave them. You can either give them to a friend of yours or you can donate them to a local shelter. There is no need to carry extra weight. Store clothes that have sentimental value. If you have some sentimental clothes such as clothes from your high school graduation or the clothes belonging to your deceased parents or grandparents, you should absolutely keep them and take them to your newer home. Wash clothes that you intend to move. Prior to packing everything you should wash them as thoroughly as possible. If you pack unclean clothes with clean ones, all of your wardrobe boxes will start smelling bad and it will create a big mess. Packing method. Once you are clear about what to keep and what to leave and you have washed and dried all your clothes, the next step involves packing your clothes. Cardboard boxes. You will need cardboard boxes to pack folded clothes. They are easy to find and just about every convenience store will be carrying some. Collect some cardboard boxes to pack your clothes efficiently. Wardrobe boxes. How to pack hanging clothes for moving. The answer is wardrobe boxes. If you have clothes on a hanger and they wrinkle easily, you can use wardrobe boxes. You can easily find them online. Suitcases. To pack folded clothes, suitcases are an excellent way. If you already own some suitcases, it is highly recommended that you use them during your moving process. Duffel bags. Who doesn't have duffel bags at home? They are a great way to pack clothes and shoes. For duffel bag packing, make sure to fold the clothes. Compressed or vacuum bags. You can use vacuum bags to condense the contents and adjust them in a smaller place. These are also great to protect your clothes from environmental elements. Sorting through your clothes. Once you have gathered all the necessary supplies and devised a plan to pack your clothes, it's now time for you to sort all your clothes for packing. The first thing that you need to do is to sort closet items into different categories to be as organized as possible. You can employ one of the following methods to sort through your clothes. Sort by season. You can pack your clothes according to the season. You can have separate boxes for summer clothes and a separate box for winter clothes. Sort by material. Sorting your clothes by their material is also an excellent choice. For example, you can sort all cotton items separately, linen items in another box and silk items in a third box. Doing so will make laundry a lot easier in the future. Sort by pieces. Try to sort your closet into pieces. This means packing shirts with shirts, pants with pants, and coats with coats. Doing so will make your unpacking process a lot more efficient and easy. Sort by person. This is another great way to sort your closet for packing. You can assign boxes to each person in your house and pack their stuff in each bag. Basic moving tips. Calculate the number of boxes that you will be needing. Don't overstuff your boxes. Only take items that are absolutely necessary. Clean clothes before and after moving. Label all the boxes carefully. So these were some basic tips that we wanted to share with you to make your moving process easier. Are you planning to move? Get in touch with us to get a free quote and move safely.